Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahir Hussain and today we are going to discuss between humidity and relative humidity. The difference between humidity and relative humidity we will discuss here. It is very confused sometimes to understand what is relative humidity and what is humidity. Humidity is also called the absolute humidity. What is absolute humidity? Absolute humidity, actual amount of water vapor which we are called the moisture in the air. Humidity depends upon the atmosphere of the area. It is the measure of water moisture vapor in the air regardless of temperature. This is very important point. What is the meaning of regardless of temperature? When we are discussing the relative humidity, so it is very important to discuss the temperature. Relative humidity is related with the temperature, but absolute humidity, it is not related, no relation with the temperature. It is just a actual water or moisture vapor in the air. For example, gram of moisture water present in cubic meter of air. This is the absolute humidity. Okay, how much the actual moisture present in cubic meter of air. It is called absolute humidity. Now we will see the relative humidity. Relative humidity measure the water moisture vapor but relative to the temperature. It is important to control the humidity. It is measure percentage of moisture water or ratio of the water vapor density. Important factor that affect quality of products. Now we will see one of the example also. First we will see what is the relative humidity. Relative humidity is actual vapor density. Now this part, the actual vapor density, which called the absolute humidity also. The actual vapor density is also called the absolute humidity. It is a ratio actually, absolute humidity and saturation vapor density dew point. Now we will understand this definition by one of the example. For example, I have the air. In the air there is 10.21 grams of moisture vapor in 1 cubic meter of air. And if I have the 1 cubic meter of air sample and there is the water vapor quantity is the weight of the water vapor mass is 10.21 gram in 1 cubic meter of air. And the saturation situation of the air, this air can be saturated at 25 gram per cubic meter of air. It means that if I have 1 cubic meter air, the air can be saturated, which we have the actual vapor 10.21. If the same air have the 25, it will be saturation situation of the air. So relative humidity by ratio it will come 41%. Higher relative humidity if the air is cooler, lower relative humidity if the air is warmer, because warm air can take the more water vapor, because more water vapor in the gaseous form and they need the energy to keep themselves in the gaseous form. When the temperature is low and the relative humidity is high, evaporation of water is slow. When the temperature is high and the relative humidity is low, this is the relative humidity regarding to the temperature. When relative humidity approach 100%, condensation can occur on surfaces, leading to problem with mold, corrosion, decay and other moisture related problem. What is mold growing? It is the contamination of the clean area. Corrosion means rust and decay and break down the component part. Relative humidity level to be maintained using humidifier, dehumidifier and associated control system. And relative humidity we are measuring normally the hygrometers. If you see, this is the instrument hygrometers. We can measure the relative humidity from the hygrometers. So I think you can understand from this video what is the absolute humidity and what is the relative humidity. Relative humidity is the ratio between the absolute humidity and the saturated point, any dew point humidity. It is a ratio between two. So I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.